Heart murmurs. Heart murmurs are abnormal sounds heard during the rhythmic heartbeat cycle. Normally, two heart sounds referred to as lubb-duppâ are heard when the heart is beating. Any additional sound heard apart from this may be referred to as a murmur. This is detected with the help of a stethoscope. The murmurs may be present from birth or may develop during later life. They are usually a result of some underlying heart defect or condition. While some murmurs may be harmless, often termed innocent murmurs, others can indicate a serious underlying condition which needs immediate treatment.